Have you forgotten the password of an important worksheet? Or maybe someone else said it and did not give you the password. These situations can be incredibly frustrating, especially when time-sensitive decisions depend on accessing or modifying the data. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to remove the password from a protected Excel worksheet. Whether it's a forgotten password or an urgent need to unlock critical information, this guide will help you regain access quickly and effectively. Let's begin. First, make sure you check the file name extensions under the View tab of the File Explorer. Because if you don't, you won't be able to proceed to the next step. Second, make a copy of the original file to create a backup in case of any mistakes. Next, change the file extension of the Excel workbook to .zip. This change allows us to access the files that make up the workbook, including the XML files where information about its structure and properties is stored. Just a quick side note, in this tutorial, I'm using WinRAR as my archiving software. If you're using a different program, the steps may vary slightly. However, the overall concept is the same, so I'm confident you'll be able to follow along. Now, let's continue. Double-click the file to view its contents. We're looking for the XML file corresponding to the protected worksheet. Start by opening the Excel folder, then navigate to the Worksheets folder. This is what we need. Since you cannot edit it directly within the .zip file, copy it to another location by dragging and dropping it. Right-click the XML file and open it with Notepad. You'll see the XML tags and attributes for the worksheet. To locate the sheet protection tag, press Ctrl+F and search for protection. Highlight the sheet protection tag along with its attributes, and delete it. Save the file. Next, drag the edited XML file back into the .zip file to replace the original. Finally, change the file extension back to .xlsx. You can now open the file and see that the protection has been removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you solve your problem. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and tricks.